$125 for this. Really? Now that is awesome. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I don't know how to make a video today, really, but last couple of days I've been so busy working on the vehicle. It's been crazy. Had to take it all apart. Had to think probably put a new head on it. Had valves just shot in. But I was sitting there looking around on the internet and I found a punch shop had a snap-on ratchet. I put in the description what the model number of it. But found a snap-on ratchet. I found it on eBay, but it was pretty close to me. The punch shop was, and it was bidding on it. It had $100 bid on it. They just put it up there, and it said it don't work like it's supposed to. Like it don't break the bolts loose or something like that. So I called them, talking to them, and the guy told me the ratchet works, but they don't break bolts loose. The head had like it's got a broke tooth in it. Well, I asked him how much it would take for it, and he said they'd take $125 for it. I was like, okay, that'll work. So I went over, I checked it out. What it did is that the where the socket goes on the head, just rock back and forwards, and there's supposed to be a bushing. It's called a I forgot what it's called, but it's like a wire washer or something like that. It's supposed to, it goes into the body of it, the head, and stays still, and it helps lock that in where it turns. And that was what's wrong with it. And I'll show you everything I got. Let me get this string flipped out here, and I will show you. And I got the thing folded down. I can show you right here what I got. I got the name folded down. The number and stuff. Come on now, focus. Oh no. Guess it won't want to focus. I don't know if you can say it, but it was tax now was $132.50. Wish it would focus. Snap-on ratchet. Has a little bag with it. Got came with a extra little battery. I think a carpenter owned this, because I'll tell you why. Because I was looking through the bag and I found this, and you never hardly ever use that on a mechanic work. The camera don't want to focus today because this, you know, this is a pipe cutter. But oh well, I found the bag free with it, I guess. Yeah, there it is. I'll say $125 ratchet, not count tax. But, what was wrong with it? Let's see if I can get this. Wait a minute, guys. Let me get this off, and I get right back with you.
20 minutes later.
Alright, sorry about that. Alright, come on now, focus. Sorry for my dirty hands. Can't get this thing focused. Ain't working right today. So I can zoom in. Sorry y'all, just bear with me. This might work, I don't know. Sorry for all the teeth marks. That's why I try to clamp vice grips on it to push some springs down. But right behind it there, that silver, I wish it would focus. There we go. This little ring right back here is supposed to be solid. It goes into this body right here to keep it from moving. This right here was turning with it, and this would just rock back and forwards. So what I did, I took it all apart, and I ordered a piece for it It's like $1.50 off snap-on.com, and I got it on the way. And for temporary, I know I shouldn't, but I put JB Weld. I took it out and put some JB Weld around it, and just JB Weld. I can clean it up. I won't be no problem. I worked on the motor all day today, taking it apart, and it held it up good. And I even changed brakes on the vehicle too. It's still holding, so I think that's pretty cool. Can't say JB Weld won't work, but I don't know for how long. But I guess it'll do. Now it's working fine. So yes, let's zoom back out here. Yeah, I think I did pretty good. I got the Ratchet, 2 batteries, charger. I forgot to show y'all the charger. So 2 batteries, Ratchet, charger, and this little bag, and I might say a free pipe cutter. So this must belong to a carpenter or something. It had a label on the side over here. Let me see right here. It had a label and it was half tore off, so I just got tore it on off. I really won't hurt it. I had to take the cap off the top of it, but protect its head. I can wherever I did where I lost it now. But yeah. So if you guys just look around, keep looking on eBay and stuff like that, you can find deals like this all the time. And a lot of people don't know what's exactly wrong with the tools, and you can get it and take this little nut and fix it. So yep. So if you like this video, hit that like button. I'm trying to make some more videos for y'all. I ain't made none in a while, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all like this. So have a nice day, guys. Always be safe and God bless.